I came to Dominica in 1961 with a friend and a motorbike, and we stayed in various places around the island and explored everywhere. Every time I came up this valley, my heart beat faster, and I was overwhelmed by its beauty, and I bought a piece of land. We have some very unusual plants here, including the jade vine and an Amorphophallus titanum, which is the biggest flower in the world. The gardens were my passion, must-see in the Caribbean, and it has many unusual things growing in it.